Good morning, everyone. Class 7th. Now we will read about our next subtopic of the chapter Democracy in Action. We will read about elections. Elections is the time when we choose our representative to form a government. So it means it is very necessary that election should be conducted in free atmosphere and in a fair manner. In democratic countries, elections are conducted by independent agency so that people can participate in election freely and fearlessly. In India, election is conducted by Election Commission of India, and it conduct the elections of state legislative assemblies, Lok Sabha, local bodies like municipal corporations, committees, and Jila Parishad, Panchayat Samiti, Gram Panchayat, etc. Now next we will read about secret ballot. What is secret ballot? A ballot in which votes are cast secretly. In which votes are cast secretly. People exercise their freedom of choice to elect their representative without any interference. This requires that nobody should know in whose favor a voter has cast her vote or cast her or his vote. It should remain a secret even after voting. Only a secret ballot can guarantee this freedom and privacy to voters. See the picture of secret ballot. See, this is a secret ballot in which people are casting their vote secretly. The secret ballot was first introduced in Australia in 1856. In 1856. Today we are using on the place of secret ballot electronic voting machine. Which machine? Electronic voting machine. Now next we will read about simple majority system. How many votes should a candidate get to win an election? There can be different criteria for this. The absolute majority system and the simple majority system. Absolute majority system and simple majority system are two such systems. First we will discuss about absolute majority. Absolute majority means securing more than half of the total votes polled. More than half of the total votes polled. For example, like three candidates A, B, C are standing in election. Now total votes are polled 20. So that candidate will be the winner here who will get more than half of the total votes polled. So here A candidate will be the winner because he got the more than half of the total votes polled. So this is a absolute majority system. Now next is a simple majority system. Simple majority system means securing highest number of votes. Highest number of votes. See here, A, B, C are standing in election. Total votes poll 20. So here that candidate will be the winner who is getting the highest vote. So here A will be the winner because he got the highest number of vote. So this is called simple majority. Now next we will read about constituencies. Constituencies means an electoral area. From a people choose a particular candidate for the Lok Sabha and state legislative assembly. For the state legislative assembly. Now next we will read about officers in election duty. As already I told you that Election Commission of India is conducting election in India. So it is headed by Chief Election Commissioner. So it is headed by Chief Election Commissioner, and this person is appointed by a president, and this person is appointed by a president. Under the Chief Election Commissioner, various state election commissioners are working, and each are responsible for election in their respective states. Under the constituency level, returning officer is the main official responsible for conducting election, and this person is also appointed by the election commission, and this person is appointed by the election commission. Now next is each polling booth has each polling booth has 5 officials. How many officials? 5 officials. And the presiding officer in charge of the booth. Who is the in charge of the booth? Presiding officer. 4 other persons are also called polling officers, are also called polling officers, and they are assisting presiding officer. They are assisting presiding officers. Outside the polling booth, policemen are also posted to maintain law and order. During the time of election, election campaign become very important. Every political party and every candidate tries to reach out to as many voters as possible. The parties appeal to the voters to vote for them, but in large quantities, or you can say large areas, it may be not possible for the candidates to conduct door to door campaign. So they make use of various methods to convince people, like public meeting, wall posters, roadside hoardings, and house visit by the local leaders. In addition to these traditional methods, political parties nowadays are using radio, television to convince the people to vote for them. That's all for today. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks.